We're continuing to look at One UI 8.5, and today we're going to look at what's changed within Samsung Notes. Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. Samsung Notes is probably my favorite note-taking app. It's just feature-rich and got so many things you can do in here from a notes point of view. But One UI 8.5 is going to change it, not just from a visual point of view, but there's some functions you should know about as well. So let's go through them. Starting with just that, the visual redesign. It's kind of bringing back together that visual overhaul of One UI 8.5 in general. You can see here the floating sort of overlays have kind of made their way in across the top of everything. It's almost lifted above everything and got that depth. And you can sort of see that as you sort of scroll through and sort of see the headings and the overlay. Same when you hit the three dots, it's sort of got a bit of a snappier sort of look about it. It's now like a card style menu as opposed to being like a side menu that's connected. It's now sort of, again, hovering above everything. Settings too has kind of changed and reorganized. You can see within here that settings has got, again, that sort of breakdown of headings and subheadings. You've got the general stuff, and then they've kind of taken everything that used to be in settings and just thrown it into advanced. So everything that was just sort of scattered around the place is now actually in here with its own menu items. There's nothing in here that I've noticed that's different. So I'm not going to specifically go through all these different items because they were all there before. The visual redesign is kind of just that. It's visual. You can see here the folders have kind of got that sort of more, I guess, visual look about it as opposed to just like a flat folder. It's got some color. It's sort of expanded out. But what I really like too is the fact that they've broken down things within the folder by days. So it's not just a splatter of notes. You actually can scroll through here and you can see what notes were today. You can see this month. You can see from last year, and you can kind of see everything with a category. It's much better. It's much, much better. And it just visually looks a lot cleaner. When you dive into a note, so if you start a new note here, pretty much looks as it did before. There's nothing functionally or visually different about this, but everything else up the top here is pretty much as is. But there is some features that are new inside of here. So the first one I want to talk about is, let's say I just put some text in there. That's just an example. So if I hit the three dots here and I hit save as, you've always been able to save it as different files. But the other day I hit PDF file and it gives you a format. So it gives you the option to just do a standard PDF where you can go and edit it in sort of standard PDF editors, but not back in Samsung Notes. Or you can make it editable within Samsung Notes, but not other apps. So depending on where you're going to send it, so if you're going to send it to someone who's going to use it within Samsung Notes, save it as Notes compatible, or if you're using a standard, do it as standard. The next new feature that I've noticed is if I hit the plus icon here, you've always had the option to sort of add things in. They've kind of renamed a couple of them. But the one that I've noticed that's new here is table. So if I hit table, I can choose rows and columns for a table, and it will add that in. That is not there in One UI 8. That is brand new with One UI 8.5. And you can populate and you can sort of format things and have a bit of a table here as opposed to not a table. And you can change the table style. So you can highlight the first column, you can have colors, and you can kind of really turn this into almost like a spreadsheet type situation. So that's new with One UI 8.5 and Samsung Notes. You can create tables in there. Something else that's new is in the search tab. You can search only in the folder that you're in. You can have that toggle on or off. Wasn't there previously. And obviously the search bar is down the bottom. Again, going with that whole visual change. So that's Samsung Notes. This wasn't a big video. It was really just to highlight how good Samsung Notes is and how One UI 8.5 is going to make it even better. Make sure you hit subscribe to SamMobile TV because as soon as updates like this come through, we'll always be publishing it on here. Also check out our website, extensive coverage about Samsung over there, and find us in our socials. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.